I'm going to show you how to edit the terms pages that exist at the bottom. Now you can change these or add to them whatever you want, but these links here all link to other pages that you could customize. So this is the portfolio page, so there's no link to the portfolio page, but on other pages where you see a link to the portfolio page, it is here. Okay, so you have the About Us page, and so if we go back to our folder here, that's just about.html. So I can open that and I can preview what that looks like. Now, this is sort of, again, a page where it's about what your business stands for, the kind of stuff that you make, whatever. And we created a nice template page for you here. You have the logo at the top. You have text in the middle with various colors and things like that. And then you have this graphic at the bottom with the prices that you can charge and how long it'll take, stuff like that. And then a link to your contact page, which is the same as this. A link to the portfolio page, which is the same as this, okay, which is the index page. So portfolio page is index page. All the other ones are named according to what they are. Contact us is contact, about us is about, and so on. So I don't need to walk you through how to edit this page. It's exactly the same process as how you edit the portfolio page if you choose to edit this page. Okay, so now let's take a look at the anti-spam. And again, we're going to open that with Firefox. Okay, so this is just an anti-spam policy. There aren't a lot of individual links in here for your site, so there's not really much to change unless you decide to do that. Okay, the next one is contact us. So we're going to open that one. And with this one, we're going to see, get a free custom quote today, have a question, contact us. So you have email address, you have Skype name, Facebook link, phone number, okay, and contact us portfolio. So this works exactly the same way as the other pages. You're going to edit the HTML of this page and do a search for email address in brackets, and then replace that with your email. You're going to do a search for Skype name and replace that with your Skype name, and so on. If you want to add additional contact info, like a website or whatever, you can do that as well. You're just going to copy the code for this, paste it in again, so you have another one for phone, and then edit that to say website or whatever that contact is. And that's how you're going to edit the contact page. Then we have a disclaimer. So when we go to our disclaimer page, okay, you can see yourdomain.com and support at yourdomain are in here. Okay, so for this particular one, we're going to want to change those to our actual website. So for that, what we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to open that with TextPad. Okay, and you can see yourdomain.com, you can change to your domain. Now you can manually change it in all these places, or the other thing you could do is this. Highlight it, go to search, replace, and then you put in your domain here and do replace all, and it will replace it in all the areas of the actual website. Now, web page. Now remember, you have www.yourdomain, which is your actual domain. That appears 4 times. But you also have yourdomain.com, and you also have support at your domain, which is an email address. So make sure that you change all of those when you're making changes to the disclaimer. Okay, the next one is the terms of service privacy policy page. Okay, so we'll take a look at that one. And this one is going to have references to website. Okay, so we tried to make this a simple tag so it's easy to change. So again, it's referred to a lot of times website. This is just either the name or the URL of your website. So for that, we're going to go ahead, we're going to open that in TextPad, and we're going to just highlight one of those. And we're going to go to search, we're going to go to replace, we're going to put our website address or name in here and do replace all, and then save the changes, and that will replace it globally all the way down the page. Okay, so that is how you're going to do that particular page. And then the last page that we included is optional, but this is a thank you page. So if you choose to, after checkout, have a thank you page for people, you can do that as well. and we created that page for you. So it's just thank you for your order. And again, all the contact information, because they're going to need to contact you to finalize the details of what they want. So you're going to edit this exactly the same way as you did the contact us page. And you're going to put in all your contact info. Maybe you have a different Facebook page or a different email address for orders. You can put those in there. So only customers are going to contact you there, whereas prospects and visitors might contact you at the other. It's totally up to you. But this is thanks.html. So if you're creating a buy button or a payment link and they need a thank you page, that's what you would link it to. Your website, and then thanks.html is the actual page. And that takes you through all of the edits to all of the pages. It's really, really that simple. It gives you a complete, robust portfolio site and an About Us page, so you can build out a really nice website. Now I'm going to show you how to upload that onto your website.